Have you ever wished Google could just understand your question completely and give the perfect answer right away? Well, what if I told you it's starting to happen? Google is testing something new, powerful, and maybe a little mysterious. It's called AI mode. So, what does it do? And how will it change how we use the internet? Let's explore this new update together. 1. Meet AI overviews. Imagine asking Google a tricky question, and instead of scrolling through a bunch of websites, you get a clear, simple answer right at the top. That's what AI overviews do. Instead of just giving you a list of links, Google now gives you a short and smart summary that answers your question fast. It's like having a helpful assistant ready to explain anything you ask. This special feature is already being used by over 1 billion people. That's a lot of folks getting help with everything from math problems to travel ideas. And guess what? It just got better. Thanks to a powerful upgrade called Gemini 2.0, AI overviews now answer even harder questions. Whether it's advanced math, computer coding, or big picture ideas, this new version handles it all with ease. And here's something even cooler. Teenagers can now use it without needing to sign in. You don't need a Google account or password. Just open Google, type your question, and boom, you're learning something new. It's fast, it's smart, and it's making searching on Google feel more like talking to a really clever friend. 2. Say hello to AI mode. Now let's talk about something brand new and super exciting. AI mode. This is Google's newest experiment, and it's way more powerful than anything before. Think of it as a turbocharged search helper. You ask one big question, and it doesn't just answer. It understands what you really mean and helps you figure things out step by step. For example, if you say, "Help me plan a wedding photo shoot in Boston with 3 different themes," AI mode doesn't just give you websites. It actually starts thinking. It makes a plan, finds good ideas, checks the best times and places, and shows you everything in a simple way. That's not just smart, that's amazing. It uses a special brain called Gemini 2.0, which can understand tricky questions, pictures, ideas, and even comparisons. You can ask it anything, and it won't get confused. Want to compare 2 products, explore a new topic, solve a complex problem? AI mode is there to guide you like a smart partner who never sleeps. This isn't just search anymore. It's thinking, planning, and helping in ways we've never seen before. Welcome to the future of searching, powered by AI mode. 3. It thinks like you, but faster. One of the most exciting things about AI mode is how it can actually think through a problem the way a person might, but way faster. Let's say you're curious about which device is better for sleep tracking: a smart ring, a smartwatch, or a sleep mat. Before AI mode, you'd have to visit different websites, read reviews, compare features, and try to understand all the complicated details on your own. Now, AI mode does all of that in seconds. It searches across many websites at once, gathers the most useful information, and explains the differences clearly. It might tell you the smart ring is more comfortable, the watch has more features, and the mat gives better results if you don't like wearing anything at night. And it does all of this in one clean, simple answer. It's like having a friend who can read 100 articles instantly, then explain the results in a way that makes total sense. No more switching between tabs or getting lost in tech terms. AI mode helps you make better decisions without all the stress. It's not just about searching. It's about solving problems like a pro. 4. Ask anything, even weird stuff. Have you ever had a strange question that didn't fit neatly into one sentence? Maybe something like, which laptop is best for school and gaming? Costs under $800, isn't too heavy, and has long battery life. That kind of question used to be hard to ask, and even harder to answer. You'd have to break it down into parts, search many times, and still might not find exactly what you need. With AI mode, that's all changing. You can type the whole thing just how it pops into your mind. and Google will still get it. It understands all the little details: price, purpose, weight, and battery, and gives you great answers without needing to rephrase anything. 5. Follow-up questions. Made easy. One of the best parts about AI mode is how it continues the conversation. In the past, every time you had a new question, you had to start from scratch. You'd type in something new, hit search again, and hope for a good answer. But now that's totally different. With AI mode, once you ask something, you can keep going. It remembers what you said before and uses that to help you better. Let's say you asked, "What device is best for tracking sleep?" and then followed up with, "What's a normal heart rate during deep sleep?" It knows you're still talking about sleep tracking and gives you another helpful response without needing more context. Powered by Gemini 2.0. Behind all the cool things that AI mode can do is something really smart. A powerful brain called Gemini 2.0. Think of it like the engine that powers a race car, or the brain of a robot that knows everything. It's what makes AI mode so fast, accurate, and helpful. Gemini 2.0 isn't like a normal computer. It can understand text, pictures, numbers, even code, all at the same time. This special power is called multimodal reasoning. That means it can take different types of information and make sense of them together. So, if your question involves comparing products, looking at images, or understanding technical stuff, Gemini 2.0 handles it with ease. There's also a smart trick it uses called query fan-out. That means it breaks your question into smaller parts, sends out mini searches across the internet, grabs answers from lots of places, and puts it all together. The best part? You never see that happening. You just get one clear, helpful response. This secret teamwork behind the scenes helps make Google's AI answers feel more complete. It's not magic. It's just really advanced technology doing the hard work for you. 7. Still learning, still testing. Even though AI mode feels super smart, it's still brand new. That means Google is still learning what works best. Right now, it's being tested in a special place called Google Labs. Think of it like a workshop where new ideas are tested before they're shared with the whole world. People who try it early are helping Google understand what needs to be better. Some of the first testers are saying that AI mode is fast, helpful, and fun to use. But Google knows that even smart AI can make mistakes. That's why if AI mode isn't sure about something, it doesn't guess. Instead, it goes back to the regular search results you're used to. This way, you still get accurate information and don't get confused. It's kind of like when a chef is testing a new recipe. They let some people taste it first. If something isn't right, they fix it before adding it to the menu. That's what Google is doing now. It wants to make sure everything works perfectly before sharing it with more people. So, even if AI mode isn't perfect yet, it's getting smarter every day, with real people helping it grow. 8. What's next for AI mode? AI mode already feels amazing, but Google isn't done yet. In fact, they're working on making it even better. Imagine asking a question and getting a smart answer that also includes pictures, videos, and colorful designs. That's what's coming next. They want to make answers more fun and easier to understand by adding more visuals and interactive content. Also, Google is planning to improve how you explore the web through EII mode. Instead of just reading text, you'll get more creative and detailed ways to look at information. Maybe you'll even see charts or videos that explain things better than words can. Everything is focused on helping people understand quickly and clearly. Another exciting part is that Google One AI Premium users will be the first to try these updates. It's like getting early access to the future. Google wants to hear from these early users and keep improving the experience based on what they say. AI mode isn't just an experiment anymore. It's the start of something big. Soon, searching won't just be about typing and reading. It'll feel like learning from your own personal assistant who always has the best answers. Liked this journey into Google's AI mode? Hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tech stories. Don't miss what's coming next. Subscribe now and stay ahead with the smartest updates.